How do migratory birds have these amazing abilities? We'll unlock the secret today. Migratory birds travel thousands of kilometers every year. Their navigation capabilities can be compared to GPS. It uses constellations, the sun, and the Earth's magnetic field to orient itself. Extremely efficient use of energy during movement. It survives long-distance flights thanks to special fat and muscles. It is also good at flying at high altitudes. Utilizes oxygen effectively even at high altitudes. All this is thanks to circadian rhythm regulation. We instinctively prepare for seasonal changes. These abilities are the result of great evolution. Do you understand the amazing secret of migratory birds today? Like and subscribe for more information. See you again in the next video.